Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT conversation not showing. So first thing is you open the Google Chrome on your laptop or in your PC, then click open new tab and there you open the ChatGPT. So type in chat.openai.com and press enter. This will open the ChatGPT official page. So here I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT conversation not showing. So sometimes while you're using the activity talking with ChatGPT, you may not find your previous conversation, which are usually on the left side over here. Instead, you may see something like not seeing what you expected here. So how do you fix it? Well, just simply try refreshing the page a few times. Click on the reload page. If that does not help, you need to log out. Click on log out over here. Then again, you need to log in. Click on login. Provide the account credential. Click on continue. Type in the password. Click on continue. Then you should be able to see the previous conversation. Also, sometimes it takes a while to load the previous conversation. So just wait for it and you will be good to go. You will have the previous conversation. So these are few ways how you can solve ChatGPT conversation not showing issue. Just try these few steps. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.